Today we discuss a very important topic of your chapter, the mole concept. Clear? This is in your 9th class also and here 11th also. So what is the mole concept? So before understanding mole concept and before understanding what is the mole, let's suppose I am telling you 1 dozen. Clear? Suppose you are saying 1 dozen. 1 dozen means directly you can say the 12 item. Clear? 12 item. Suppose I am saying you have 1 dozen books. 1 dozen books, that means the 12 books. You have the 1 dozen apple, that means the 12 apple. That means this 1 dozen is preferred for 12 item. Clear? यानी कि जहां पर आपके पास 12 आइटम होंगे आपने क्या बोल दिया, दिस इज 1 dozen. Clear? Suppose same manner you have the 1 score, that means 20 items. Clear? And 1 gross means 144 item. Same manner the simple unit 1 dozen. 1 dozen is 12 item. Same manner this mole is nothing. This mole is called a simple number. A mole is simply a number. You can write here the simple number. Simple number which contain 6.022 10 to power 23. You can say like this item, yeah, you can say particle, yeah, you can say atom, yeah, you can say molecule. That means simply 1 mole is a simple number which contain 6.022 10 to power 23 items, particle या molecule या फिर ions. Clear? This is called the 1 mole. Clear? This is 1 mole. Like your 1 dozen. 1 dozen means the 12 item. 1 dozen books means the 12 books. In the same manner, 1 mole is having this item, this number, or this particle. For example, you have simply 1 mole sugar. Okay, I'm writing here. You have the 1 mole sugar. And question is that how many atoms are present? Yeah, how many particles are present in 1 mole of sugar? So directly you can say there is 6.022 10 to power 23 atoms are present in 1 mole of sugar. Clear? Suppose you have 1 mole of books. 1 mole of books you have. 1 mole of books you have. 1 mole of books again stand for 6.022 10 to power 23 books. You can say you have, if you are defining the atoms, so there are this kind of atoms. Clear? Let's see briefly in examples by taking the hydrogen. Clear? Suppose you have 1 mole of, yeah, you can say how many atoms are present in 1 mole of hydrogen. That means how many atoms are present in 1 mole of hydrogen. So simply you will say there are 6.022 10 to power 23 atoms of hydrogen are present in 1 mole of hydrogen. Clear? In the same thing, how many molecule? I am replacing atom by molecule. So how many molecules are present in 1 mole of hydrogen? So again you will say there are 6.022 10 to power 23 molecules are present in 1 mole of hydrogen. Clear? And the same things, how many ions? How many ions are present in 1 mole of sodium? 1 mole of sodium. How many ions are present in 1 mole of sodium? Same thing. 6.022 10 to power 23 ions. It is clear? This is 1 mole of sodium contain these ions. Clear? So it is defined what is 1 mole. 1 mole is simple a number which contain this type of entity, or this type of particle, or this type of molecule, or this type of atom, or this type of ions. Clear? And this is your 1 mole. Now you have this thing. That means the 1 mole is equal to this one. Yeah, 6.022 10 to power 23. This is known the Avogadro number. Avogadro number. That means your 1 mole is stand for the Avogadro number. Avogadro is a scientist. Clear? And this is called the Avogadro number. And this is also defined by this Na. This Na is called 6.022 10 to power 23, and that means the 1 mole, and this Na is also called the Avogadro number. Clear? And this is the writing method of this entity or this particle. Clear? Suppose I am writing the 1 Na. You can simply say there are 6.022 10 to the power 23 entities or particles. Clear? But now it is clear this is 1 moles, but this is very difficult for us that what is the reason behind to choose this kind of number. Clear? That means अगर आपको number लेना ही था तो you can choose a very simple number. That means in this manner 10 to the power 23, 10 to the power 4 या 5 या 6 in this manner. That means in very easiest way. So what is the reason behind to take these kind of typical number? That means 6.022 10 to the power 23. That means what is the reason to take these as 1 mole? Clear? So let's understand. You have the definition of 1 mole. Clear? My last question is that why we are taking this kind of typical numerals. Clear? So you can say that 1 mole is defined in this manner. So we can say the 1 mole. 1 mole. The amount of substance that contain as many particle of entities. Entities means you can say you have the atoms, molecule or ion. That means entities is stand for these three, the ions, atoms and molecule. Clear? The particle or entities as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of carbon, 12 isotope. Clear? That means आपने कहा 1 मोल है क्या? 1 मोल कंटेन करता है so many particles या the same particles or entities. There are atoms in exactly 12 gram of C12 carbon atom. Clear? C12, what is? These are isotopes of carbon. That is C12, C13 or the C14. Last time I told you the 3 isotopes of carbon and how to calculate the average atomic masses. Clear? The same things, the atom in exactly 12 gram carbon of C12 isotope. Clear? So first of all, we have a mass spectrometer to calculate the mass of any substances, any molecule. Clear? In this manner, how we calculate the Avogadro number, how we calculate the 1 mole. So we can say that 1 mole is equal to 12 gram per mole of carbon atom, of carbon, you can say, upon by the mass spectrometer. The mass of this C12 comes exactly 1.1 99 into 10 to power minus 23 gram per atom of carbon. The same things, the carbon, the 12 gram carbon upon the mass of C12 carbonate. Clear? So after calculating, this gram is cancelled by the gram, and after calculation, this will comes approximately 6.022 10 to power 23 atom per mole. Atom per mole. So this is your 1 mole. Clear? So you got the value of 1 mole. So 1 mole, I'm writing here 6.022 10 to power 23. There are atom per mole. This is your 1 mole. Yeah, this is your Avogadro number Na. Clear? So now it is clear how this typical numerals is come. That means the Avogadro number. Here you can say the 1 mole. 1 mole is nothing. 1 mole, there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of carbon, 12 isotopes. That means carbon 12 isotopes के 12 ग्राम में जितने एटम्स होंगे वो डिफाइन करेगा 1 मोल को. And it is the simple things that it is very easy for us to weigh anything at the place of counting. Clear? Suppose I am saying you how many atoms are present in 1 kg of sugar. You have 1 kg sugar. 1 kg sugar. Suppose I am telling you the 1 kg sugar is contain the 1000 atom. Yes, simply you can say you have as place of atom I am writing the crystal. Clear? I am saying that your 1 kg sugar is contain 1000 crystal. यानी कि आपके 1 किलो चीनी में 1000 क्या क्रिस्टल आपके पास है. Clear? And I am saying you give me the 1 kg of sugar. So it is very difficult to us to count the 1000 crystal. So we making the standard. That means the 1 kg you have the something, the measuring instrument you have. Clear? That means the counting is very difficult and weighing is very easy. हमने डायरेक्टली 1 kg तोला आपको दे दिया and this one is 1 kg. Otherwise हमें काउंटिंग करने में क्या लगेगा? We spend a lots of time to counting this 1000 crystal. Clear? The same things we are taking here. Clear? So 1 mole is have 6.022 10 to power 23 atoms पर मोल. यानी कि 1 मोल में आपके पास इतने एटम्स हैं या आपके 1 मोल में इतने इंटिटीज हैं. इंटिटीज मीन्स द एटम्स, आयन और मॉलिक्यूल. क्लियर? इट इज क्लियर. दिस इज कॉल्ड योर 1 मोल या एवोगाड्रो नंबर या दिस वन इज Na. Clear? This is your 1 mole. Now let's understand this again by some examples. You have the question, very simple question based on the mole concept. They calculate the number of moles of iodine in a sample containing 1.0 10 to power 22 of molecules. Clear? So we know that this 6.022 10 to power 23 molecules are contained is equal to 1.0 into 10 to power 22 moles of iodine. Clear? So that we can say 1.022 10 to power 23 into 1.0 into 10 to power 22 moles, and after calculating it will comes 0.0166 moles. Clear? mean calculate the number of moles of iodine molecules in a sample containing this kind of molecules. Simple, you have 6.02 to 10 to the power 23 molecules are contained this moles of iodine, and now the moles is equal to 1.6 into 1.0 10 to the power 22, and it will become 0.0166 moles of iodine. Okay, this is your question based on the simple, the mole. Next, you have some relation in between the mass mole relation and the mass volume relation. Clear? And there are some numericals based on the next topic, that means the conversion of mass and moles, and the moles and the volume. Clear? So I am summarized your definition and the formulas, and then we'll do some question. Clear? This is your some relation, I can say some conversion. Clear? So I'm summarizing your some conversion here. So first conversion, you have the 1 mole of atom. The simple things, the 1 mole of atoms are contained 6.02 to 10 to the power 23 atoms. Clear? That means you can say this is your gram atomic mass. Clear? That you can say this is the gram atomic. Clear? That means the 1 mole of atom contain these atoms. You have the 1 mole of sodium. So you have the 6.02 to 10 to the power 23 atom of sodium. You understand the question? The question is the 1 mole of sodium. Yeah, how many atoms are present in 1 mole of sodium? So 1 mole of sodium contain the 6.02 to 10 to the power 23 atoms. Clear? Second, you have moles of an element. Moles of an element. So moles of an element we can calculate by the mass of element. Now we are very familiar to how to calculate the mass of an element from a last video, and upon the atomic mass. किसी atom का atomic mass and the mass of element. Clear? Third, you have the mass of one atom. You have the mass of one atom. So atomic mass upon 6.022, that means the Avogadro number. Why? Because this is the Avogadro number 1 mole, and you are calculating the mass of one atom. One atom goes for the atomic mass. Clear? Suppose I told you I have the 1 atom of sodium. So what the mass of 1 atom of sodium is 23. That means we have the atomic mass. So atomic mass upon 6.022 10 to the power 23. Simple. And next, 1 mole of molecules. Same things, 1 mole of moles of molecules and 1 mole of atom. Simple. 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules. Last, you have the mass of 1 molecules. Mass of 1 molecules, and the same here, the mass of 1 atom. The molecular mass upon 6.022 10 to the power 23. That means जहां पर आपको molecular mass निकालना होगा, तो आप वहां लेंगे the molecular mass. जहां आपको निकालना होगा the mass of 1 atom, तो we have the atomic masses. Clear? This is your some relation, and these relations are used in your numericals. Clear? And one relation you have here, the mass of, the volume of 1 mole of gas at NTP. NTP यानी कि इस NTP पे आपके 1 मोल ऑफ गैस का वॉल्यूम कितना होगा. क्लियर? अब गैस के वॉल्यूम की बात करें तो ऑब्वियसली इन लीटर. क्लियर? And this NTP stands for the normal temperature pressure. It will approximately 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter volume at NTP of 1 mole of gases. यानी कि 1 मोल गैसेस का NTP पे कितना वॉल्यूम होगा? 22.4 लीटर होगा. ठीक है? The next some conversion you have how to calculate the number of moles. ठीक है, कि number of moles कैसे निकालेंगे. ठीक है, number of moles are calculated in different manner. In some question you have the given mass. In some question, you have the given volume. Clear? And in some volume, in some question, you have the given atom, molecule, या फिर ions. So totally, you have the three cases to calculate the number of moles. First of all, you can copy, and then we'll discuss the later on. Question: the calculate the mass of the first one atom of C12 carbon, and second is the one molecules of water. So first of all, क्वेश्चन करने से पहले आप ये सोचिए कि क्वेश्चन किस फॉर्मूले पे बेस्ड है, यानी कि आप क्या निकालने जा रहे हैं. क्लियर? कैलकुलेट द मास ऑफ वन एटम ऑफ C14. आपने प्रीवियस में फॉर्मूला देखा था. कैलकुलेट द मास ऑफ वन एटम इज इक्वल टू यू हैव द एटॉमिक मास अपॉन Na. Na मीन्स वही नंबर 6.022 10^23. क्या फॉर्मूला था आपके पास? मास ऑफ वन एटम इज इक्वल टू एटॉमिक मास अपॉन Na. It is clear? And the same things here, the one molecule of water. You are having the molecules. So mass of one molecules is equal to the molecular mass upon Na. Clear? मैंने पहले भी कहा था जहां आपको एटम्स निकालने, मास ऑफ एटम निकालना है तो क्या आएगा? एटॉमिक मास. मास ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स निकालना है तो क्या आएगा? मॉलिक्यूलर मास अपॉन Na. क्लियर? सो सी इन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन द वन एटम ऑफ C14. वन एटम ऑफ C14 का मास कितना होगा? ऑब्वियसली 14. अगर मैं आपसे कहूं यू हैव द वन एटम ऑफ कार्बन, वन एटम ऑफ कार्बन कंटेन द 12 ग्राम. क्लियर? एंड द सेम थिंग्स here you have the one atom of C14. कितना मास होगा? 14 ग्राम अपॉन Na 6.022 10^23. This is your mass of one atom of C14. Clear? And the same things in second question, the one molecule of water. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर का मास कितना होगा? ऑब्वियसली 18. द वाटर कंटेन H2O. हाउ टू कैलकुलेट? 1 into 2 plus 16. So this will come 18 ग्राम. कैसे निकालते हैं? मैंने पहले बताया आप लोगों को. एंड क्या करना है? मॉलिक्यूलर मास अपॉन Na. सो मॉलिक्यूलर मास इज 18 ग्राम upon 6.022 10^23. So this is your mass of one atom of carbon and the one molecule of water. Clear? So what you do? First of all, try to understand the question is based from which formula and which concept. Because in your mole concept topic, you have the different kind of mole conversion. क्लियर? मोल कन्वर्जन बहुत सारे आपके पास हैं, तो बहुत सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स भी आएंगे एंड यू हैव द लॉट्स ऑफ कंफ्यूजन रिगार्डिंग टू दिस क्वेश्चन. कुछ नहीं करना, आपको क्वेश्चन पहचानना है कि क्वेश्चन किस कन्वर्जन पर बेस्ड है. इन दिस योर क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड इन दिस फॉर्मूला. दैट मीन द मास ऑफ एन एटम and the mass of an molecule. Clear? So this is the something about your mole concept.